Be careful. PRT could be a 3D CAD part or a printer file. One opens in 3D software, the other is useless machine code. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer. Let's identify which one you have. Avoid future frustration. Download a dedicated, non-proprietary file viewer. These tools are masters at ignoring small PRT errors. Take a shortcut and download now. The structure of a PRT is primarily defined as a component of the 3D CAD file standard. The Pro Engineer part file structure defines how elements are placed. The PRT file is the native proprietary part file format for PTC Creo Parametric, 3D CAD software. It contains the complete definition of a single 3D solid model, including its features, dimensions, and material properties. Developed by PTC, the format is proprietary and focuses on parametric modeling. Its design rules are complex and maintain a history tree of every operation performed on the model. While it can be opened by viewers like Autodesk Fusion 360, full editing and feature manipulation require the original PTC Creo Parametric application. The PRT data container is optimally managed by Autodesk Fusion 360, developed by Autodesk, Inc. To unlock the full potential of this format, a dedicated program is required for rendering. Windows may miss advanced 3D elements, so complete viewing requires dedicated modeling software. To begin troubleshooting, right-click the PRT file and choose Open With. If you have Autodesk Fusion 360 available, that's your first option. Otherwise, select another program. It's often necessary to test multiple apps. If the PRT file still will not open, there is no need to stress. I'm going to explain the most common technical reasons behind the file failure before we use the one-click solution. First, use conversion. Convert the proprietary .prt file, Creo NX, to an industry standard format like STEP, IGES, or Parasolid XQT for use in other CAD programs. Next, use the original application. Open the file directly using the original software that created it, such as PTC Creo or Siemens NX. Finally, reassociate the file. Right-click the PRT file, select Open With, choose another app, and ensure the correct CAD application is set as the default. If all local software has been tested with only negative results, it's firm proof that only a universal engine will work. Deploying that final fix is the best way to attempt handling your PRT file. My top recommendation is the Universal Viewer File Magic. It opens virtually all formats, including your tricky PRT file. Visit filemagic.com to download now. Keep your skills sharp, and thanks for learning with me. Like, subscribe, and fix those files. It's that simple.